Hi there. I'm going to start a stream of 2-minute or so sound bites of pharmaceutical topics of interest to me. The topic of greatest interest to me is patient quality of life. Really, that's what it's all about when it comes to discovering and developing new pharmaceutical products. We don't have a lot of time on this planet, so let's try to do something. I'm trying to do something worthy, important, and lasting in the industry in which I work. I'm going to focus on stories of people living with cancer and targeted therapies. Targeted therapies, those 6 or so amazing medicines that are taken typically long-term or chronically as a new way to treat or cure different cancers. The thing is, these amazing breakthroughs often come with what are referred to as manageable toxicities. Manageable to whom? Remember, my theme is patient quality of life. Last week was the ASCO Quality Conference, and Dr. Arjun Gupta from the University of Minnesota Medical School presented a patient survey indicating what patients care most about in their cancer care. And what the number one topic of importance to patients is their quality of life. Interestingly, more important to the patients than overall survival, than access to care, than cost of care. Dr. Gupta has coined the term time toxicity. Time toxicity, the time and impact to a patient's life, the quality of life to engage in various protocols versus the survivability impact of that. It's fascinating that anybody would think that there is a one-size-fits-all to this particular trade-off. And the only way to delve into the morass of considerations with a topic like this is through shared decision-making, shared education, shared knowledge with the patient, the healthcare professional, the caregivers, everyone involved in the whole patient's community. I look forward to sharing these stories, and here's a spoiler alert. I'm a patient too, having just completed or almost completed a full year of targeted therapy with a whole new perspective and a whole new world of experiences that I didn't have a year ago. So I'm going to finish with a quote from Dr. Tatiana Prowell, who's professor in oncology at Johns Hopkins University, Johns Hopkins Medical School, who was at the ESMO, the European Society of Medical Oncology Conference, a couple of weeks ago. And after a particular panel, she X'd, "Why don't we routinely have patient advocacy on conference panels when discussing the tolerability of patient-reported outcome data from clinical trials?" And it was retweeted and comments were made on it over and over again. Why not? Why don't we? So that's a key topic that I look forward to presenting stories to illustrate over the next weeks and months.